Hello, welcome you on YouTube channel Financial Class, and today topic is top 5 cryptocurrencies. How to choose. Top 5 most valuable cryptocurrencies worth your attention. There are thousands of cryptocurrencies, from Bitcoin to Ethereum and Dogecoin to coins you've never heard of and probably never will. For a newcomer to the world of cryptocurrencies, the sheer number can be overwhelming. For anyone who finds the current state of the crypto world to be a cluttered mess, here are the top 5 cryptocurrencies ranked by their market capitalization, or the total value of all their coins currently in circulation. 1 Bitcoin, BTC. Market capitalization, more than $641 billion. The first and flagship cryptocurrency, Bitcoin, BTC, was founded in 2009 by someone using the pseudonym Satoshi Nakamoto. Like most cryptocurrencies today, Bitcoin operates on the blockchain, a technology that distributes all transactions across a network of thousands of computers. Because new coins must be verified on a so-called distributed ledger by solving a cryptographic puzzle, a process called proof of work, Bitcoin is secure and fraud-proof. Its price has risen to unexpected heights over time, and its name has become almost synonymous with all cryptocurrencies among the general public. 5 years ago, a single Bitcoin could be bought for $500. In June, the price of 1 Bitcoin was already more than $32,000. That's an increase of approximately 6,300%. 2 Ethereum ETH. Market capitalization, more than $307 billion. Ethereum is both a cryptocurrency and a blockchain platform. Ethereum is particularly popular with developers due to a number of technological possibilities, such as non-interchangeable tokens, NFTs, or so-called smart contracts, which are put into effect automatically when the necessary conditions are met. Ethereum has also seen staggering growth. In just 5 years, its price has skyrocketed from $11 to more than $2,500, an increase of more than 22,000%. 3 Tether USDT. Market capitalization, more than $62 billion. Compared to other forms of cryptocurrencies, Tether is a stable coin, which means it is backed by fiat currencies like the US dollar or the euro and should hypothetically maintain a value proportional to just those. In theory, this means that the price of Tether should be more consistent than other cryptocurrencies. This is why it is particularly popular with investors who are not so comfortable with the extreme volatility of other cryptocurrencies. 4 Binance Coin BNB. Market capitalization, more than $56 billion. Binance Coin is a form of cryptocurrency that can be used to trade and pay fees on Binance, which is one of the largest cryptocurrency exchanges in the world. However, since its debut in 2017, Binance Coin has already outgrown its original purpose. Now, even this cryptocurrency can be used for trading, processing payments, or even booking travel-related services. Likewise, it can be exchanged for other forms of cryptocurrencies such as Ethereum or Bitcoin. The price of BNB was just 10 cents in 2017, however, it has already climbed to more than $350 in June 2021, an advance of more than 35,000%. 5 Cardano ADA. Market capitalization, more than $51 billion. Cardano entered the crypto scene relatively late. What is interesting about it is its early support of the proof-of-stake validation principle. This method speeds up transaction time and reduces energy consumption and environmental impact by eliminating the competitive puzzle-solving aspect of transaction validation that underlies, for example, Bitcoin. At the same time, Cardano works similarly to Ethereum in that it enables smart contracts and decentralized applications. Cardano's ADA token has had a fairly gradual growth compared to other large crypto coins. In 2017, the price of ADA was 2 cents. In June 2021, its price was $1.50. That's an increase of 7,400%. Tonke, and see you next. here or on our web, where is a more about inspiration, money, education, and business. Have a good day.